Well, let's take a look at what the market open has in terms of today, this Wednesday morning. It's a steady start, in fact a rip-roaring start if you could say, as you've got the markets holding out at 14,222 levels. So record levels on the index with the Sensex up at 48,500. You've got a firm start for the mid caps and the small caps. So clearly there's a lot of cheer within the markets. You've got that breadth as well that's skewed firmly in favor of the gaining side. In fact, let's just check in as to where the winning streak is really coming from. I think IT is the only sector that's mildly in the red, but other than that, PSEs, media, energy, infrastructure, consumption, the Nifty Bank as well is showing you a bit of fervor this morning, up about 0.2% or 85 points. So that's, you're seeing action coming in across the board, and we've gotten off to a fairly decent start. Although mind you, for the frontline indices, we are tempering off. Wonder if we'll really hold at these levels. The real resilience, of course, is within the broader universe, where you're seeing a more convincing gain, 0.7% for the mid caps, 1% nearly for the small cap index. GAIL India is the top mover on the frontline index, ONGC powering through with a 4% gain. Titan looks good, JSW Energy, Britannia, Tata Steel, Adani Ports, Divi's Laboratories, IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Auto and BPCL, some of the frontline movers. Eicher Motors takes it easy, Axis Bank down 0.5%, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Technologies, all of those are keeping the moves on the IT index at bay. Do remember, we'll be watching out for TCS's results at the end of this week, that's on Friday. To some of the newsmakers then in today's trading session, BEML, remember, has bagged orders for the supply of high mobility vehicles. This is from the Ministry of Defence, worth about 758 crores. That stock is holding out by a solid 3% in trade today. You've also got GCPL, which is a little bit tempered. The company has acknowledged that the demand trends and categories across key countries have remained stable, but for the India business, they will see a second consecutive quarter of low double-digit sales growth. CLSA, though, has an outperform with a target price at 760. HDFC Bank then, and it's come out with a very strong set of operational highlights. That stock up 0.5%. The advances have gone higher by 16% at 10.8 lakh crores, and the deposits as well have grown 19% on year. ACC has announced the commissioning of a new cement production facility at their existing unit in Jharkhand, and JP Morgan has an overweight rating on Jubilant Food with a target price at 3,030. Let's check in on all those buzzers within the broader market. So many names then that are lighting up the screen this morning. Trident continues to look good. Karnataka Bank is up 6%. Gayatri Projects is active. Indus Star is looking very good. Amber, Jain Irrigation, Sheela Foam, Inox Leisure up nearly 4%. Prism Cement, Just Dial, Chennai Petro, Shriram Transport, Titan up nearly 3%, all looking very good. On the flip side, Venky's, L&T Info, Lupin, Godrej Consumer, Eicher Motors, VIP, Kolte Patil, and some of those mid-cap IT names a bit muted.